my name is Charlie. I'm a dog living in Korea. The barking sounds of dogs in Korean is a bit funny. When I let my foreigner friends hear the sounds of Korean dogs, they laugh and find it really strange. I bark by saying mom, mom. Funny, right? Let's learn the sounds of other animals too. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about dogs. In English, we say dogs go oof, 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 right? But in Korea, dogs go mong, 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 mong. Try saying it with me. Mong, 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 mong. Great job. Next, we have cats. In English, cats go meow. But in Korean, cats say yaong, yaong. 야옹, 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 야옹. Perfect. Moving on to cows. In English, cows go moo. But in Korean, cows say 음메, 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 음메. Nice work. Now for pigs. In English, pigs go oink oink. But in Korean, pigs say 꿀 꿀, 꿀 꿀, 꿀 꿀. Let's try it together. 꿀 꿀, 꿀 꿀. And lastly, let's talk about chicks. In English, chicks go chip chip. But in Korean, chicks say 삐약 삐약, 삐약 삐약. Repeat after me. 삐약 삐약, 삐약 삐약. Good job. Today's homework is to tell us about interesting and unique animal sounds from your country in the comments. If you studied hard and haven't gave up until now, leave a blue heart as well. I like diligent people. With love, 안녕. Bye.